everyone, it's me Sylvia and welcome back to my channel. So many YouTubers are doing what's inside my bag, but I thought that it's quite boring. Um, so I just thought, why not to make what's inside my makeup bag? अगर कोई college student देख रहा है या कोई newlywed देख रहा है or anyone who is new into makeup, then definitely ये वीडियो उनके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोना शो यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वन बाय वन. कौन सा मेकअप मैं यूज़ करती हूँ या कौन सा प्रोडक्ट मैं यूज़ करती हूँ एंड विच विल बी क्वाइट चीप ऑल्सो. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव साइड में भी थोड़ा एक दो होगा. सो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. दिस बैग आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम मैक्स में मैंने देखा था तो I just purchased it. It will be super random. So yeah, let's start. So the first item is from Blue Heaven Astro Brow Pencil / Styler. The best part about it is it has a spoolie. Also it has a color in it. You can see. जितने भी product के details and links है सारे जितने भी है सब मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. इफ यू वांट टू बाय इट यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक इट आउट. नेक्स्ट आई हैव इज फ्रॉम पैक which is their tapered lash. इसका नंबर जो है वो है 213 which is you can see over here. These are super durable. अगर किसी ब्राइडल को चाहिए या कोई बिगिनर है who wants to buy it, it is inexpensive. Next up I have is from Insight Makeup Essential Pro Concealer Palette. इतने सारे कलर्स है, you can do whatever you want to. अगर आपको blemishes हाइड करने हैं, पिगमेंटेशन हाइड करना है और डार्क सर्कल्स हाइड करने हैं, you can definitely go with this one. Love this palette, totally in love. I have got two eyeliners. One is from Lakme Insta Liner, which is this one, and the other one is from NYB Eyeliner, which is this one. So the next product is from Maybelline family. It is their Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation and I'm in the shade 230. इसका जो कवरेज है दिस इज मीडियम कवरेज. आपको ऑफिस के लिए चाहिए, कॉलेज के लिए चाहिए, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो विद दिस वन. दिस इज amazing foundation. Next up I have is mascara and the first one is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara, which is this one, and I swear by it. And the next one I have is from Insight. This one also is pretty good. I love the wand as well, you can see. और ये बहुत inexpensive है as compared to Maybelline one. Go whichever you want. Yes, this one is not waterproof and this one is waterproof. I have two loose powders for you guys. First one is this Lakme Rose Powder which is with sunscreen. मैं as a college student भी use करती थी, as a beginner भी use करती थी and still now I'm using this one. And the other one is from Sugar. इसका जो प्राइस है it is $5.99 which is थोड़ा सा expensive. This is super duper amazing translucent powder. इसका जो puff है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. Also you get the product inside this. It is white in shade. Next up I have is from LA Color Shimmer Bronzer. इसमें बीच में highlighter है जो कि अगर आप bronzer यूज करोगे तो वो definitely खत्म हो जाता है. इसका जो हाईलाइट शेड है आपको दिख रहा होगा आई गेस. सो या आई एम इन द शेड रेडिएंट. और एल्स यू कैन ऑल्सो गो विथ शुगर कॉन्टोर डी फोर्स फेस पैलेट and I'm in the shade Vivid Victory. I really love this product. You can get 3 product which is bronzer, highlighter and blush. बहुत अच्छा product है. This one is for people who are medium skin tone. So this one it is. I have is from Inside Makeup Essential Makeup Fixer Spray. It just gives that, you know, बहुत छोटे छोटे droplets है. Next up I have is from NYB Brightening Primer, which is this one. Definitely check this one out. This baby is amazing. Next up I have is a beauty sponge. I don't have to tell you so many things about this one. So the last product is eyelash adhesive. Lash के साथ you need a glue to stick on. So this one is finished. So I have quite a few lipsticks in my pouch. First lipstick I have is from MAC and I'm in the shade Ruby Woo. I will swatch it for you guys. You can see. Next shade I have from Maybelline New York, and it is their shade number 657 Nude Nuance, which is this one. Suits every skin tone. I will swatch it for you guys just to show you. You can see it is sort of mauve shade. Next shade I have is from Bella Voste, which is their Dark Front number 13. This shade is so good. This is inexpensive. And इसका जो shade है मैं swatch करके दिखाती हूँ. You can see. And it is quite pigmented. You can see the color. It looks brown. So I have got few more lipsticks to go. मैंने न्यूड्स दिखा दिए, मैंने एक रेड शेड भी दिखा दिया है. नाउ लेट्स कम अप विद पिंक्स एंड वाइन sort of colors. Next shade I have is from Sugar, and it is their 08 Wine and Shine, which is this one. And right now I'm also wearing this. You can see the color is so pigmented. It is smudge proof, waterproof. You can see बहुत अच्छा शेड है. डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन आउट. ये डीपर स्किन टोन, लाइटर स्किन टोन या मीडियम स्किन टोन सब पे सूट करने वाला है. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव लिप क्रायॉन which is from Bella Voste. Take My Breath Away. So this one is pink shade hai. I'll just show you over here this shade. This is such a beautiful shade. Last lipstick is from Swiss Beauty, which is their matte smooth velvet lipstick, which is this one. And I'm in the shade Fuchsia Pink 312. This one it is. The packaging is beautiful. I love the packaging. Also the color is very beautiful. It is Fuchsia Pink. You can see this Fuchsia Pink. Love the shade. ऑल्सो ये थोड़ा क्रीमी टेक्सचर में आता है, वेलवेटी टेक्सचर है थोड़ा इसका. नेक्स्ट पाउच आई हैव दिस वन, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम मैक्स. जो पहले वाला मैंने दिखाया था मेकअप पाउच, उसी के साथ ये आया था. So in this I keep my eyeshadows. I highly recommend you. Is from Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, which is this one, and I am in the shade 04. Love the packaging. Also I love the colors. They are so beautiful. एंड इसमें आपको एक मेटालिक मिलेगा एंड बाकी सारे मैट शेड्स हैं. उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है and they are looking for very inexpensive palette, then this one it is. You can go, and ये इसका जो packaging है it is very sturdy. Also this is travel friendly. Next up is again 9 eyeshadow palette, which is from Mars. I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow, which is this one, and the shade number is Soft Glam. So the packaging is super amazing. You can see the shades. These shades are so amazing. You get 4 metallic shades and 5 matte shades. You can play a lot of colors with this 9 eyeshadow palette, and these are super pigmented. I will show you right over here. See, this is so pigmented and very easy to blend. Also you can see the mirror, it's quite big. I love it. Last but not the least, it is higher side, little expensive, which is Smashbox Full Exposure Palette, which is this one. And I love the shades. Like these shades are so good, pigmented, metallic बोलो, matte बोलो, सब pigmented है इसमें. Love the packaging. ये थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया है. Never mind. These shades are beautiful. अगर आपको पार्टी लुक क्रिएट करना है, you can do. अगर आपको everyday sort of करना है, वो भी आप कर सकते हो. If you want to do smoky, you can do smoky eye as well. I will swatch some of the. You can see. You can see the product. It is quite pigmented, blendable. It is so nice. बहुत अच्छा. एक ही ड्रॉबैक है, this is quite expensive. ये काफ़ी स्टॉक आउट हो जाता है. अगर मैं नीचे लिंक दे दूंगी, अगर वहाँ पे स्टॉक आउट होगा then I am very sorry. Then कहीं पे भी आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है. I really enjoy using this palette. I am done with this bag. So I have lot of brushes right over here. एंड 1 by 1 तो नहीं दिखा सकती मैं, बिकॉज वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. सो अगर आपको मेरा ब्रश का पूरा सेट देखना है, आई विल गिव यू आई बटन राइट ओवर हियर सो दैट यू कैन चेक दैट आउट। बहुत डीपली मैंने उसमें बता रखा है कौन सा आई ब्रश है, फेस ब्रश है, एवरीथिंग आई हैव सेड। So if you want to know about brushes, then definitely go and check that out. Powder brush है, then I have got some of the face के लिए भी। This one I use mostly for my highlighter or contour as well, and this one I use it for blush. All these brushes are my eye brushes. Use कर लेती हूँ कुछ कुछ। Mostly I use this one to blend my eyeshadow. ये मैं eyelash curler है and मेरा डब्बा हो गया है खाली। So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If it did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification button to never miss any episode. Until next time, Sylvia signing off. Take care, stay safe, have a great day and